G'day beautiful people, so this video is going to show you how to make a paella. So what you'll need for my recipe is flat beans, stock, any stock your choice, chicken stock is fine, saffron, paprika, olive oil, bomba rice, a tomato, onion, garlic, chicken and pork, and salt, and I'm using chicken thighs and pork ribs. Start off, turn on your gas burner, heat up your olive oil and add in your pork ribs and also your chicken. So we want to seal the meat nicely on all sides, and we want to par cook the meat about 90% as we're going to take it off the pan to use it later. When using gas burners, most of the heat is focused towards the center of the paella pan, so cook where it's hottest. My recipe is a variation of paella valenciana. The traditional recipe uses rabbit, snails, and artichokes. For this video, I'm making a budget paella, so I'm omitting those ingredients and using pork ribs instead. When you finish cooking the meat, move into a container for use later. Now add in your sofrito. This is your onion, garlic, capsicum is optional, tomato puree, paprika, and saffron. Once you've cooked your sofrito for a minute or two, add in your water and your stock. Okay, now most recipes will cook the rice first before they add in any water. When I make my paella, I want to make sure that the stock tastes perfect before I add in any rice. Here I've decided that I need more salt and pepper. I'm going to give it another taste. And then I decided, more salt again. Give a bit of more paprika. And let the stock reduce and adjust the flavor as much as you need to. And when the stock is ready, add in your rice. I'm using a 66 centimeter diameter pan, which is quite heavy, so have someone to help you out if you can. Now add in your flat beans and let that cook for about 11 minutes. Now as you can see that the rice has absorbed a lot of the stock, so when it's got to this stage, add your meat back in. When you think it's almost ready, turn down the heat and just let that cook for like an extra 5 minutes. Taste the rice. If it tastes par cooked, then just add in some more water. Okay, so the paella is finished. If you wanted a crust underneath, known as socarat, then raise the heat for 5 minutes, letting the fats caramelize. Just be aware that from a health point of view, it's not recommended, as there is a potential risk of cancer. The techniques and processes I've demonstrated here is the same that I would use for a seafood paella, and I'll probably do a video showcasing that as well. Let me know if that's of interest. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.